In this video, we will show you how to turn off active status on Instagram using smartphone or using web browser on your PC. First, if you are using smartphone, you can just open your Instagram application like this and go to your profiles. After you go to your profile, select this menu, then scroll down until you find messages and story replays. There is little bit difference when you use the Instagram apps on your smartphone or using web browser on your PC. Okay, in your smartphone you can just click show activity status. Okay, then you can turn off this. Okay, so the people cannot see if you are online or less active like this. Okay, allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were less active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. Okay, this is how you can turn off your activity status on Instagram if you are using smartphone. Also, there is have menu on Instagram apps. We can disable show read receipts. Okay, you can also disable these features. So the others cannot see when you read their message if you turn off this. This is if you're using Instagram apps on your smartphone. Okay, and the second, how if you are using Instagram on web browser. On web browser, it is little bit different, but you also the same. Open your profile like this and select this menu. Okay, then select settings, and you can scroll down in here and choose messages and story replays. You can see the menu is a little bit different. You can just have show activity status, not read receipt. Okay, so you can just turn off this. It's already turned off when we are using smartphone earlier. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to turn off active status on Instagram using smartphone or if you're using web browser on your PC. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.